Just as the rising popularity of mechanical keyboards reflects a desire for precision and durability among typists and gamers, the demand for corded impact wrenches stems from professionals seeking constant torque and reliability. Unlike cordless models, corded wrenches deliver consistent power.
List number 1. Porter Cable Impact Wrench, PCE 210. The Porter Cable PCE 210 is a powerful and reliable choice for anyone seeking consistent torque and dependable build quality. Equipped with the 7.5 amp motor that delivers 450 foot-pounds of torque, this corded impact wrench is ideal for loosening stubborn bolts, lug nuts, and rusted fasteners with minimal effort. Its half-inch hog ring anvil allows for quick and secure socket changes, making it practical for automotive and construction tasks. The forward-reverse rocker switch provides easy control, while the cast metal gear housing ensures durability during heavy-duty use. Weighing around 7.5 pounds, it's well-balanced and comfortable to hold, even during extended sessions. The 7.5-foot power cord provides good range without excessive tangling. Users appreciate its immediate torque response and reliability. Unlike battery-powered tools that fade over time, this corded model delivers full power at all times. List number 2. Eastvolt 800-watt electric impact wrench. The Eastvolt 800-watt electric impact wrench combines strong performance with user-friendly operation, making it an excellent pick for both home garages and workshops. Powered by an 800-watt motor, it delivers an impressive 450 foot-pounds or 600 newton-meters of torque, allowing easy removal of lug nuts and heavy bolts. Its half-inch detent anvil provides a secure socket connection, while the two-directional rocker switch simplifies switching between tightening and loosening. The ergonomic non-slip rubber handle ensures a firm, comfortable grip, minimizing hand fatigue during long use. The included 11.5-foot power cord is longer than most competitors, giving you extra reach when working under vehicles or in tight spaces. It also includes 4 impact sockets: 17mm, 19mm, 21mm, and 23mm, and a durable carry case, offering excellent out-of-the-box convenience.
List number 3. CC Electric Impact Wrench Corded Half-Inch. The CC Corded Electric Impact Wrench delivers professional performance with a focus on strength and convenience. Equipped with a 9.0 amp motor generating up to 480 foot-pounds of torque, it's built for serious mechanical and industrial tasks. The half-inch square drive and metal gear construction ensure durability, while the two-way rocker switch allows seamless direction changes with one hand. The tool's heat dissipation system and sturdy housing improve longevity even with continuous use. A standout feature is its shock-absorbing handle with a rubberized grip designed to reduce vibration and improve control. Users report excellent results for tasks like removing rusted lug nuts and tightening suspension bolts, jobs that demand both torque and consistency.
List number 4. Craftsman Impact Wrench, half-inch CMEF 901. The Craftsman CMEF 901 is a well-balanced blend of brand reliability, power, and user comfort. Featuring a 7.5 amp motor that produces 450 foot-pounds of torque, it's capable of handling demanding automotive and mechanical tasks with ease. Its half-inch hog ring anvil allows quick socket swaps, while its cast aluminum housing ensures durability and optimal heat dissipation. The rocker switch design makes direction changes intuitive and fast, which is especially helpful when working under tight clearances. Weighing around 8 pounds, it feels sturdy but not cumbersome, and the ergonomic rubber grip provides excellent comfort and control during operation. The long power cord allows flexibility across various work environments.
List number 5. Wen Two-Direction Corded Impact Wrench, Model 48107. The Wen 48107 Corded Impact Wrench offers reliable power and affordability from one of the most trusted tool brands. Its 7.5 amp motor delivers up to 3,400 impacts per minute and 240 foot-pounds of torque, making it ideal for general automotive maintenance and light to medium-duty work.
The 1/2-inch square drive and ball-bearing motor design ensures smooth, consistent operation. With its 2-direction rocker switch, you can easily toggle between tightening and loosening bolts, perfect for quick tire changes or assembly tasks. Its lightweight, around 7.5 pounds, and rubberized handle make it comfortable for extended use, reducing hand strain. The durable power cord provides ample length for garage or shop setups. Although it doesn't match the torque of higher-end models like Porter Cable or CC, it compensates with reliability and ease of use. It's particularly well-suited for DIYers or hobbyists who need occasional but consistent performance without investing in pricier pro models.